Hello everyone, how are you? In this lesson, I'm gonna teach Excel program. Excel program is used for making table. Any table you want for your lesson, for your jobs, you can use this program to make your tables. So as you see in the book, it's at chapter 4, have the working with tables, interface of Excel, filtering and simple function. So please follow the video. After that, practice what I'm doing to learn each topics about your books and get benefit from this video to learn the Excel program. Here we go. We go to the Excel program. So as you see, there are many ribbon at the top of the Excel program, file, home, insert, and so on. And you have these cells, which is included in the column, which is column, and the row. This is the row. So as you see, these lines, the imaginary lines, is not the real line. So we should make our table by ourselves, and the cells we should indicate it how many cells we need. For example, I'm gonna show you how to make a table in two different types in Excel program. We come to insert, there are a table. So for example, this is indicated this place because we click on this place. That's why it is written like that. It is a column D and the row 4. Okay, this column D and the row 4. Click OK. Okay, so it is written the column 1 and this places which we can write here, and we can write the title for this column. So I want to bring this column to the first line. Just we click on the column, drag and drop. So I want to increase the column, for example, to be 3 columns and 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, as you see, A, B, C. It is 3 column, and come to down 4 column we need. Click on this 4 column. Okay, now we have 3 column and 4 row. The first row is for title. Second row, according to the titles, we should write the information inside of it. I want to make a little bit big my screen. Okay, yes, the first column we click on it and we change the name of it to name. Second one, for example, to age. The third one to address. Okay, so in the first one, for example, I write Ali, Yara, and Azad. Okay, age, you can click on it by the mouse for coming to another cell, or you can use enter to come down. For example, I come down like that, or you can use the up keyword in the keyboard. In your keyboard, you can use the key of up and down, right and left. Okay, so the age, let's say 12, 10, 40. Okay, address, for example, we can write Duoc. Okay, Slemani, Howler. Okay, So this is our tables. We can change the colors of the table, the background, and the color of the name. Just select it when you want to make any change in the office programs. For example, Excel is an office program. You should select this things you want to change. For example, I want to change the background of the name. I click on the name and come to this bucket. Choose any color you want, as you see. For example, I choose this color. It's nice. Or you want to change this background to another color, or you want to change all of them. You should select all of them and give the same color. And you want to change the background of this. I think it is good, but let's change, just tell you. You can change to something like that. Okay. So to rearrange the writings to the middle, you should select all of them, what you want, and click on this icon. It is in the middle. And when you want to take this to the left side or right side, you can use this or the middle. Okay, so let it be in the left hand side. Okay, so for this table that I make it, we can select all of them and come to the insert. Also click on it. Okay, now I want to filter my table according to the number. I want to start from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay, to filter it, click on this and sort smallest to largest. It means from the small number started to the large number. The second one, sort largest to smallest. It means it started from the large number to the small number. I click on the first one. It started from 10, 12, 14. Also the other is changed according to the table. Or I want to filter it according to the name. You click on this. Sort from A to Z, from the alphabet, from A, B, C, D, E, like that, or from the Z come to A. I want to start from the A to Z. Okay, Ali, Azad, Yara, like that. Okay, and if you want, for example, want to you want to filter it by another way, for example, you click on this and come to home. Here is a filter icon. Sort from the smallest to largest. Sort from the largest to smallest. Second one, largest to smallest. Just click on it. Okay, it is changed in this side. Click on where you want. It is okay because it is under the number column. So for example, for Azad or Ali or Yara, for the names, I click on the filter and from Z to A. Z to A. From the Z it started to A. Okay, according to the alphabet. It is like that. It is your table. You can use it for names, some basic information about the personality. So I want to make another table without using that table. Here I want to show you. For example, you want to make another table which included 3 row and 2 column. Select it, this 3 row and 2 column. We come to the bottom border, click on it, this border, and come to all borders to make the lines, make the cells to be real, because as I told you, this line is imaginary line. It is not real line. It cannot be shown in the paper when you print it. So this is our line. I made it by myself without using the table, and I want to thickness the line. You click on this and come to the line style. Come to the line style, choose this and select it. Select all of them to be thick as you want. Maybe some pieces of your table you want to be thick. Maybe all the pieces of the table you want to thick. It is up to you. Just the same icons, you can use it. Okay. After that, I want to color the background of this. How to color the background of this? Click of escape to click on the other icon. I click on escape on the keyboard. I come to this and I choose a color. For example, I choose the red color. Also for this you can choose the red color, but for the writing you can choose another color. Red and yellow is nice color. It is familiar to each other. It's a harmony color to each other. Now I want to bring this to the middle, for example, to another place. Here you can write according to your tables. You can write exam. Okay, here is point. English exam and math. Here English exam, for example, you get 88, math you get 85. Okay, so you can bring it to the middle. It's nice like that. Also this is to the middle. You can rearrange it what you want. Let's come to the middle. It is good if come to the left hand side. Okay, so I want to click on all of them and choose the chart for this. I want to show this table by figure, by drawing. Okay, we come to the insert and choose these icons, any chart you want. For example, I want to choose the first one. Click on this, or second one, or third one, or 3D. You like to use the 3D. I want to choose this, the simple one. Okay, make it small. Okay, and bring it. This is the chart. I explained it in the chart. This is the main table. This table, I selected all of them, this table. That's why the chart is showing this table. I didn't select this table, so that's why it is not shown in the chart. This chart comes to the point. It shows the points of English and math from the 83.5 started to 88.5, because the chart started a little, according to this number, a little small or a little big. I want to change it to 66. Okay, it is like that. I want to change this to, for example, 90. You see it is on the 90. English it is on the 90. And this also, here you change you like to write in capital English, or the first letter you want to write in capital, not difference. Okay, like that. It is so good. So you see it is the chart, and you can click on the chart. You can for example change the gaps between them. For example, like that. You can make a thickness. You can make it a little bit to overlap. Okay, it is like that. It's up to you. So it is good, something like that. Okay, or the color, you can change the color to red, and the second one also to red. It is up to you. There are a lot of options here. And the point, you can change the point name. For example, here you can write grade, like that. So you can change also from here if you want. Yes, so it is like that. Click on this close. Okay, as our chart. So let me check the book. Okay, we talked about working with tables, interface of Excel, it means introduction of Excel, some icons, some features we did, filtering we did, simple function. Okay, now we come to the function. It is useful for mathematic things or accounting. Now I want to take the average of these marks. Click on all of them and one empty cell to write the result of the average of these numbers. Okay, we come to auto sum, but click on this icon, come to average. So the average of 90 and 66 is 78. Okay, and bring it to the middle like that. You can write average, you can add one more icons for here. You can click on this, you see this addition sign, you can click on this and bring it down. You add some, you copy it and add in another cell. So I want to just cancel this, right? Average. Yes, average is like that, and you can change the color of it. Okay, like that. And also you can change the background of it, and also you can change the thickness of the border by choosing this. Okay, if you make any mistakes you can just Control Z on the keyboard, go back to the previous step, and Control Y is go to the forward step. Okay, escape. So is the average, as you see. After that I want to teach you another equation which is important. For example, I want to take the sum of this. Click on both of them and come to here, use the sum. Okay, the sum of these two numbers is 156. We bring it to the middle and you can write sum here. So now I want to change it. I want to change 90 to 88. Just look at it. It should be the 156 minus 2 is equal to 154. Enter. 154. It is like that. So every time when you change these two numbers, the sum of them is changed because we coded, and the average also changed according to the changing these two numbers. So after that I want to choose the biggest number and the lowest number of this grades. For example, the student's grade. Come minimum number is 66. Minimum mark, the lowest mark is 66, and the highest mark, we click on this too. The highest mark, we come to here, max is 88. Yes, you can write max or highest number, highest mark, something like that. And other icons also you can use it. For example, count number. The number is counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 7. Okay, or you can just count the two number, like the first number and second number. Okay, or count all of them. 6 number, 6 cell we have. Okay, it is counting number. Count, you can write count. So for anything you can use this. For example, I use it for the exam marks. You can use for accounting in your company. You can use for salary. You can use for anything you want in your company, or you can use for counting the materials, the equipments, anything you want, you can use it. It is some basic and important information in Excel program. I hope all you get the information, and after that practice on it. And I want to give you a homework to practice on it. Just look at the board. This is your homework. I want to do this homework for me and send it to me. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and listening. See you next lesson.